Hey guys, it's Mike with BitcoinHomebase.com, and I wanted to remind everybody that we are giving away our next CryptoKitty this Friday. So make sure that you have commented with your MetaMask wallet address, as well as liked this video, and that you're subscribed to the channel. We're giving away a pretty rare kitty this Friday, so we're still in debate which one we're going to be able to do, but this one's going to have much rarer features than the last one, and I think it's going to be a fairly low generation as well. So we're really excited about that. Make sure you share it, and if you do share this video with your friends or drive someone here to sign up for our channel as a subscriber, we will give you a second entry. So all you have to do is put shared down in the comments below in a separate comment box, in a separate comment, and you will get a second entry into our contest. So anyway, the question that I've been getting a lot lately is, what is the best exchange to buy altcoins from? Now, there's a lot of options out there. Some of them vary in degrees of difficulty to sign up and use. Some of them are also a little bit sketchy when you go into the smaller exchanges. And then you've got fees that are pretty high on a lot of the exchanges. So the one that I found that really exceeds in all of those areas and is a great, easy to use, low cost, low fee platform for purchasing altcoins and even some of the main legacy coins is Binance. So it's a really great exchange. They offer fees that are discounted if you just toggle a switch in the back end of Binance, and it says right here, you can see the fees. That's literally, you flip the switch from off to on, and then you start paying the fees in Binance coin. And this is one of the ways that they keep their coin value so high, their Binance coin. So it takes the fees from 10% down to 5%. So that's incredible value, and that's just if you go into the back end of the dashboard, you'll see where to do that. It's very obvious when you're in there. But I just wanted to give you guys a basic lay of the land here and show you how to get money in. If you want to sign up, if you aren't a member of Binance yet, there's a link in the description below where you can click through and sign up, and it's hands down the easiest to use. So to get money in, so once you've signed up, you've just done the basic registration, click through that link, signed up, and you're going to come to a link here. It says funds. So you got to put funds in. The only way to purchase with within Binance is you have to have a cryptocurrency in here. So there's a lot of different options of what you can bring in, which is another feature that I like. So you can come in and bring Cardano, you can bring Poe, you can bring in Tron, you can bring in Verge, you can bring in Stellar Lumens, anything from any other exchange that you're currently purchasing from, other markets. Anyway, power across the board. I mean, it's literally a huge list of coins that they offer, and they just started selling Verge, which I'm very excited about. Anyway, so that's going to really open Verge up. As you know, I'm a fan of Verge. But obviously, they have Dash, they've got Litecoin, they have Bitcoin, they have Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash. So there's a lot of different ways to get funds in to purchase other cryptocurrency. So most of you who are new to crypto are probably going to be purchasing through Coinbase. And again, if you don't have any cryptocurrency and you want to buy some of these altcoins that we talk about on our channel, there's a link also below. It's a referral link that if you spend $100, your first $100 on Coinbase, it will give you $10 free in Bitcoin. I believe it'll give you $10 either in Bitcoin, Litecoin, or Ethereum, depending on which currency you buy, but it's an equivalent of that 10 USD. So I think that's an incredible deal. That takes your purchase down from $100 down to 90, and then you've got that asset now that can accrue value for you. So anyway, once you decide, hey, I want to buy one of these altcoins, you can go ahead and click deposit on the type of currency you want to bring in. So let's just say Litecoin. You just click deposit right there, and then it's going to come up with an address. And then all you would do is copy the address, or if you want to use within the app, on the mobile app for Coinbase, you can scan this QR code, and this is going to allow you to make a deposit with Litecoin using the QR feature of Coinbase to capture the address. So don't even have to enter the code, don't even have to copy and paste the code, just using the QR function to capture the address and send it. So anyway, I think that this is really easy to use. It's very clear and concise how to get money in and out. And then when you want to go to the exchange, they offer two versions. They offer a basic for beginners and an advanced for someone who wants more advanced features. But I think even using the basics, it gives you a lot of tools to be able to see and understand um, how your coins are performing, as well as being able to set orders. So we've got obviously the ability to go ahead and set prices. You can buy at market, or you can set a stop limit as well. So if you want to make sure that you're not going to lose your shirt on a coin, you can set a stop limit sell. So I think that this is great. You can set your price, say you know that a coin is going to have a downward trend. You can shoot for that downward trend. So you want to buy a little bit under market. You know that it's going to have a dip. You just click in there and it's going to adjust the price for you to hit that target. So anyway, if it does dip, then it's going to automatically purchase your coin from your balance. Make sure that you enter to win our crypto kitty that we're giving away this Friday. All you have to do is leave us your MetaMask wallet address, as well as like the video and subscribe to the channel, and then you are all good. You'll be entered. So alright guys, thanks so much for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Bye.